The pursuit of excellence always leads to new beginnings. New beginnings to carve the future. Such is the story of Hotpack, the region's largest manufacturer of top quality, hygienic, sustainable packaging products. From humble beginnings, Hotpack has not just grown in size, but in strength over a span of 3 decades. From a team of 3 to over 3,500 has been an incredible journey. Hailing from 30+ nationalities, embracing each other's culture and working steadfastly as a team together to produce more than 4,000 variety of products, serving more than 25,000 brands. Hotpack provides sustainable packaging solutions to various industries that include food and beverage, retail, travel, entertainment, hospitality, healthcare, pharmaceutical, home and personal care. Our key infrastructure portfolio includes 15 manufacturing plants with 2.5 million square feet of manufacturing area, 50 sales centers and 29 branches across the Middle East, Morocco, Jordan, the UK, the US, Australia, India, Spain and Malaysia. We take pride in the international accreditations including the BRCGS, AA grade and FDA approved that are testimony to our commitment to quality and in being an ISO, BRCGS, SEDEX, ESMA and SASO certified company. As a manufacturer of a range of eco-friendly products, biodegradable products, paper products, aluminium products, wooden products and plastic products such as craft boxes, trays, paper bags, paper cups, aluminium foils, takeaway containers and flexible packaging products. Our dedicated manufacturing facility for biomass-based products in Malaysia is a testament to our commitment to develop packaging solutions with reduced carbon footprint. Hotpack has received numerous awards, including the esteemed Dubai Quality Smart Industry Award in 2020, and we are recognized by Dubai Industries and Exports as a verified exporter. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities with advanced equipment and IR 4.0 technologies, along with a skilled R&D department, enable us to produce a wide variety of products, meeting the changing needs of the market. We manufacture a wide range of products while employing thermoforming, foil container punching, and injection molding. A range of paper bags, aluminium foils, cling films, and drinking straws are also produced. Hotpack, the region's largest manufacturer of paper bags, offers its customers the flexibility to produce paper bags in the sizes and shapes they require. Hotpack's paper cup division produces over 2.5 million high-quality cups per day. At Hotpack's folding cotton division, we are equipped to produce all kinds of paperboard containers and boxes to serve food packaging and other sectors and businesses. This facility of Hotpack is equipped with the most advanced ESCO platform with a web center where one can upload and approve the artworks online from any part of the world. In addition to manufacturing food packaging products, Hotpack also has a range of products in hygiene such as sanitizers, gloves, masks, hand washes and liquids, facial tissues, napkins, kitchen rolls and toilet rolls under our brand Soft and Cool. Hotpack's labeling and stickers division employs sophisticated state-of-the-art machines that produce different kinds of stickers and self-adhesive labels. Hotpack has a hygiene and protection division specialized in perfecting the art of safe and effective cleaning solutions in line with international standards and specifications. Our recently opened sophisticated factory dedicated to PET products at National Industries Park in Dubai employs state-of-the-art water-based coating line to ensure recyclability and lower carbon footprint. Our PCR and PIR agendas champion the sustainability cause in the region when it comes to packaging, and our mono-material composition ensure complete recyclability in the PCR category. With a global supply chain network Supported with over 250,000 pallet locations and advanced digital capabilities, we ensure timely exports to customers in over 106 countries. Hotpack was among the top 10 industrial companies to be shortlisted by the UAE government in non-oil and gas category to pursue lighthouse projects for adoption of IR 4.0 technologies. The untiring passion of our founders and our years of experience in serving global brands has inspired us to dream big and compete on a global scale to become the world's top packaging company by 2030. Challenges are many. However, we are determined to march forward in creating a sustainable future for our customers, our communities, and our people. Together, let's carve the future.